Hi you guys, this is Dane from Sephora Boca Raton. I'm here today to show you guys how I get unready for the night. And I'm super excited to share with you my routine and how I get my oily but dehydrated skin ready for bed. Stay tuned. So to really undo this do, I like to take the Sun & Park Beauty Water to really cleanse and tone my skin while removing my makeup. It does a great job removing eyes, lips, and face to get us ready for the second cleanse. Be very gentle in removing your lashes. So using a cotton swab soaked in the product, you just want to rub it along the lash line to loosen up that band and the glue just to ensure a nice seamless pull. So taking that same cleansing water on a cotton round, we're just going to press that onto the eye for 5 seconds, loosening up the shadow, tapping gently with your 3 fingers before you gently remove any eyeshadow. Now I'm wearing a lot of glitter, so my pressure might be a little bit harder than what you might want to wear or use, but be very soft with your eye. You only have the set, you're not getting another one. With that same cotton round that I use on my eyes, I love to take my brows off and my concealer because it already is gentle enough, and I like to savor my pads. So this is just a preliminary step for me. I wear a lot of makeup, as you can see. I do full coverage every day, so ensuring that I take it off is always my #1 priority. So really going in with multiple pads just to really power it off does a great job. I've noticed that since using this cleansing water, I've brightened my skin just a little bit to help to alleviate these dark spots from acne. And going in with my Youth to the People Age Prevention Superfood Cleanser just really emphasizes how soft my skin looks and feels and how I help to alleviate any dark spots that I might still have from those treacherous years of acne. 1 pump is enough to really foam up on your face, and adding water as you go along is a great way of massaging it onto your skin while removing any impurities. Now I'm just removing this product with a damp towel because I don't have the opportunity of doing that beautiful splash that we like to do in the bathroom. I may love glitter, but sometimes I find that she doesn't always get off when I want her to. So going in with an extra towel to really dry your face solidifies getting off any leftover particles of makeup that you might have. And now to refresh my skin, using the Tatcha, the Essence Plumping Skin Softener. A little bit in the palm of your hands, and you're going to press that all along the face, starting with the centers and working your way out. No rubbing, just press. Soft pressing motions into the skin helps this product to really penetrate, brighten, and smooth out the skin for a really soft appearance. And now for serums, I like to use the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum. It's one of my favorites because I do suffer from dehydrated skin, and this serum is super lightweight. It really absorbs into the skin really lightly, and as you can see, I'm just pressing it in small rubbing motions just to really transfer the product to where it's drier for me to ensure that everything is nice and smooth and even. I do this step right before bed every night, and as soon as I do this, I'm out like a light. It's just winding down for your skin. And then we have the Good Genes. This is my favorite product. This is the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This little puppy right here exfoliates, it brightens while you're sleeping. You can even wear it under your makeup, but I love to do it to go to bed because when I wake up, my skin looks like nothing else. Don't forget under your eyes, you guys. So using the Dr. Jart Water-Fused Hydro Soothe Eye Gel, we're just taking a dime-sized amount. Well, not even a dime size, maybe half. Just feel right above your cheekbones and right under your eye, and that little gap right there is where you want to place your eye cream. A little bit on the ring finger, and you just want to tap, tap, tap that away. It helps to tighten, hydrate, and brighten under the eyes for a more youthful appearance. I like to use this under makeup as well as before I go to bed. Get rid of those pesky puffs. And now for the face. The final step before bed. We're just going to hydrate using the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream, just to smooth that over anywhere that I find that I'm drier. For me, that's where I have to shave, which is the lower half of my face, above my brow bone, and maybe around my nose. I say maybe because sometimes she lies to me. And don't forget your neck with whatever products left over. As above, down below. Here's a tip that no one ever tells you. Your neck, your eyes, and your hands are the first place you see aging. You always want to make sure that those places are always hydrated and protected by the sun. Just using my fingers, I'm just smoothing that product into my skin just to ensure that it absorbs evenly and nicely. And now I'm ready for bed. Are you ready? Thank you guys for watching and joining me tonight while I got ready for bed. I'm super excited. I want you guys to like this video, share this video with your friends, comment on this video, and tell me about your skin because I want to know what you guys are doing. Maybe you can teach me a thing or two on your skincare routine. But from me to you, I bid you all adieu. Good night.